Imagine waking up each morning feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to take on the day. What if the secret to this vitality, glowing skin, and a resilient immune system lay in a simple, natural beverage you could prepare in minutes? Welcome to the world of lemon and cucumber detox, a time-honored recipe for cleansing, revitalization, and radiant health. Let's begin by exploring why lemon and cucumber make such a powerful duo. Lemons, vibrant and zesty, are packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and phytonutrients. These elements are renowned for their ability to bolster immunity, fight inflammation, and protect your cells from environmental stressors. Vitamin C, in particular, is essential for collagen synthesis, your skin's best friend when it comes to maintaining elasticity and a youthful glow. Cucumbers, on the other hand, offer a crisp and refreshing counterpart. With their high water content, they are nature's hydrating agents, helping to flush out toxins and keep your skin plump and moisturized. Cucumbers contain silica, a mineral that supports healthy connective tissue, and are also loaded with B vitamins, potassium, and magnesium, nutrients that support overall wellness and help your body recover from daily stress. When combined, lemon and cucumber form a dynamic blend that not only tastes delightful, but also delivers a myriad of health benefits. This detox water is an easy way to support your body's natural cleansing processes, boost immunity, and promote a luminous complexion. So, how do you create this revitalizing elixir? The recipe is simple, versatile, and requires only a few ingredients. Begin with a fresh lemon, preferably organic, to maximize the nutritional content and minimize exposure to pesticides. Slice the lemon into thin rounds, preserving both the zest and the juice. Next, take a firm cucumber, again, organic is best, and slice it similarly. The thin slices will infuse more quickly and evenly, releasing their healing compounds into the water. Place the lemon and cucumber slices in a large pitcher. To amplify the flavor and health benefits, consider adding a handful of fresh mint leaves. Mint not only introduces a cool, invigorating note, but also aids digestion and soothes inflammation. Fill the pitcher with filtered water and let it sit in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, allowing the ingredients to mingle and infuse. Once ready, pour yourself a glass and savor the refreshing taste. The subtle tartness of lemon balances the mellow, earthy notes of cucumber, while the mint adds a clean finish. Drink throughout the day, aiming for at least 2 liters to stay hydrated and reap the full benefits. Now, let's look deeper into how this simple drink can transform your well-being. First and foremost, hydration is key to radiant skin and a robust immune system. Our bodies are composed mostly of water, and every cell relies on adequate hydration to function optimally. Lemon and cucumber water not only quenches your thirst, but also delivers electrolytes and antioxidants that help your cells repair and renew. The vitamin C in lemon acts as a natural immunity booster. It stimulates the production of white blood cells, the frontline defenders against infection and illness. Regular intake of vitamin C can reduce the duration and severity of common colds and promote faster recovery from everyday ailments. Additionally, the antioxidants in lemon help neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage your skin and compromise your health. Cucumber's silica content strengthens connective tissue, supporting healthy skin, hair, and nails. Silica is particularly important for maintaining the structural integrity of collagen, the protein that keeps your skin firm and smooth. By drinking cucumber water regularly, you help your body replenish its silica stores, leading to visible improvements in skin texture and elasticity. But the benefits don't stop there. Lemon and cucumber water also support healthy digestion. Lemons stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, aiding in the breakdown and absorption of nutrients. The alkalizing effect of lemon helps balance your body's pH, reducing acidity and inflammation. Cucumbers, with their high fiber content, promote regularity and soothe the digestive tract. For those seeking a gentle detox, this beverage is ideal. Both lemon and cucumber have diuretic properties, meaning they encourage your body to eliminate excess fluids and flush out toxins. This natural cleansing effect can reduce bloating, improve kidney function, and leave you feeling lighter and more energized. Let's not forget the impact on skin health. Chronic dehydration and toxin buildup are common culprits behind dull, tired-looking skin. By staying hydrated with lemon and cucumber water, you support your skin's natural detoxification processes, reduce breakouts, and enhance your complexion's radiance. The antioxidants combat oxidative stress, minimizing the appearance of fine lines and promoting a smooth, even tone. Incorporating this detox water into your daily routine is effortless. Begin each morning with a glass to kickstart your metabolism and hydrate your body after a night's rest. Carry a bottle with you throughout the day, refilling as needed to maintain energy and focus. If you find yourself reaching for sugary sodas or caffeinated drinks, try swapping them for lemon and cucumber water. You'll notice a difference in your mood, energy levels, and skin clarity in just a few days. To maximize the benefits, pair your detox drink with a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Regular exercise, quality sleep, and mindful stress management will further enhance your immunity and skin health, creating a holistic foundation for well-being. Remember, true detoxification is not about deprivation or extreme measures. It's about supporting your body with nourishing foods, plenty of water, and self-care practices that promote healing from within. Lemon and cucumber water is an easy, delicious way to start. If you're feeling adventurous, customize your recipe to suit your tastes and needs. Add slices of ginger for an anti-inflammatory boost, or toss in berries for extra antioxidants. For a touch of sweetness, a drizzle of raw honey will complement the tartness of lemon and the freshness of cucumber. As you embrace the ritual of preparing and sipping your detox water, notice how your body responds. Increased hydration, improved digestion, a stronger immune system, and glowing skin are just the beginning. Over time, you'll find yourself feeling more vibrant, resilient, and in tune with your body's natural rhythms. So, next time you reach for a drink, choose the simple yet powerful combination of lemon and cucumber. Let each sip be a reminder that wellness begins with small, daily choices. Choices that honor your body, nourish your soul, and set the stage for a lifetime of radiant health.